How's everybody doing? This is Quillen Black, and on this video I'll be explaining how to use the ADX, which is known as the Average Directional Movement Index. It's a trend-based indicator which tells you when the market is in a trending type of movement and when it's in a non-trending type of movement. It's beneficial because you would only want to be trading in a trending market, mainly because the setups are a lot cleaner and you can make a lot more profit from it. And overall, it's more beneficial. Simple as that. Okay, so to get the ADX indicator right here, you right click, you click Insert Indicator, you type in ADX, and choose the one that says ADX and DI. It's by this person right here. So once you click it, it's gonna pop up kind of like this. This is the simple version. But once you have it, let's go on Style and click the thickness for the lines to the third notch. This way it's going to be a lot more easier to see, a lot more clear, and you don't have to really squint your eyes to see those thin lines. Okay? So before I explain how to actually use this indicator, make sure you have a horizontal line that is at 20, at level 20. And a horizontal line which is at 25. Okay, so the basis of this indicator is when this black line is under 20, that means the market is in a non-trending market. Whenever it's over 20, that means it's in a trending market. So when it's over the 25, that means it's in a valid trending market. I mean it's like official. It's no doubt about it that it's trending. And when it's under, that means that you shouldn't even be trading, pretty much. And whenever this black line and the red line and the green line is in the middle, that means it's in a consolidating type of movement, which is the time that you wouldn't even want to even touch it because it's no kind of direction that that you could clearly see and everything that you could actually take advantage of. Okay, so this black line is called the ADX line. That's the main line that you're supposed to be looking for. And the D positive line is the green line. The D negative line is the red line. Okay? So, like I said, whenever the black line, the ADX line, is over the 20 and 25, it's in a trending market. Whenever it's under, that means it's in a non-trending market. Whenever the green is over the 25 and 20, that means it's in a bullish trending market. Whenever the red is over the 25 and 20, that means it's in a bearish trending market. And whenever it's under, vice versa. Okay? As the D positive line and the D negative line splits apart or separates like further and further, that means it's more bullish than bearish, and it's no doubt about it that it's going to be trending for a while. Okay? Whenever the ADX line, the higher the ADX line goes, the more powerful the move is overall. It's on level 50 where you see like right here, this is like at its peak pretty much. So whenever you see the movement like that, that means that the market is very trending. It's trending dramatically. And those kind of markets you would definitely want to be in. Because it's more beneficial for your setups, and especially when it's trending in a session such as London session or a New York session. You could really take advantage of it. Okay, and how to spot these setups is pretty easy, honestly. So, for example, going to crosshairs. So this right here is a cross. So you've seen that a cross, you would be looking for a sell position, mainly because on a lower time frame, the ADX line is going to be over the 20 and the 25, meaning it's in a trending bearish market now. You've seen this cross, and looking at the setup, it's at the same point. So that'll be a good indication that the market is going to become in a bearish trending market. Okay? The ADX indicator, it doesn't follow the market as far as how, like, when it goes up, this goes up, that kind of thing. It's just basically telling you the amount of levels or how powerful the trending market is. So if you see this going down, it doesn't mean that it's going as far as it's going down bearish or anything like that. Like, all that matters mainly is that it's over the 25 and the ADX line is over the 25 as well. So When this and this is over the 25, it's a bullish trending market. Whenever it's not, as far as like, let's say, kind of like right here, this whole time the D negative line was over the 25 and over the 20. That's why all right here it was in a bearish market. So this can also help you as far as not to get trapped out, because let's say if I was in this order for a sell, correct? On this pullback right here, some people would have got out, right? But you seeing that the D negative line is still over the 25, you would have held your order. And seeing that this right here is a trend line, you would have held your order because the market is still showing a lot of bearish movements. And honestly, like, since I started using the ADX, like I went literally like 25-1 with my trade, which is dramatic. You know what I'm saying? It shows you that this indicator works well on how I use it, and it could take your trading to another level. Okay? And these boxes right here are boxes that I pretty much pointed out that were in a non-trending market. So as you see, like right here, from this point, you can say from this point pretty much all the way up until this point, the market was in a non-trending market. Up until it broke out over the 20 mark right here, it was making higher highs, which is basically indication of an uptrend. And right here, all right here was non-trending. So me personally, I would have still took it just based off of my basic technical analysis skills. And on a lower time frame, I would see that it was over the 25. So I would have definitely gotten, you know, and me seeing that the D negative line is over the 25 as well, I would have got it in a setup somewhere over here and just rode it through. Because this whole time the ADX line is over the 20. Right here, it struggled a little bit and everything, mainly because it never reached another high. But at the same time, the D negative line was clearly over the 25, which I would have still held my order if I entered up here. Okay? And these are points pretty much that I mark off just so I actually know like when the market is trending or not. Normally in London session, the ADX line is over the 25 and 20. So if you see this kind of movement or these kind of actions in London session, you would definitely want to get ready for entry just based off of your basic technical analysis skills and based off of what the ADX line is saying. So if you combine this with the knowledge that you're already gaining from Wall Street Academy, you'll be a beyond profitable trader, honestly. Like the first week and everything that I used this indicator, I was blown away. Every single order went in my favor. I had no doubt about it as far as if the trend is going to keep on going, it's going to pull back, that kind of thing. So I never got faked out. I never even got faked out the first week that I even used this indicator. So that was dramatic. And you using this with your basic technical analysis skills, trust me, like you're going to be making a lot of profit within the first day that you're using this indicator right here. I've introduced this indicator to a few friends already. They already tried it out. They love it. I don't think they even lost a trade yet. You know, so it's going to be like really, really life-changing when you actually learn how to use this and actually master how to use this thing. And the main chart that I use it off of is the hour chart and 4-hour chart, but mainly the hour chart. That's what I focus on. All right, and a few more examples is pretty much like, let's say, see how at this point, actually, perfect, like right here where the market is now. The ADX line, the D positive and D negative line is between the 25 and 20. What do you see up here? It's consolidation. You know, so like right now, you would not even want to even touch the market, you know, because the market is not showing any kind of direction right now. And it can really help you when you can stay out of the market, get in the market, that kind of thing. So like right now, I would be waiting for the market to either pass over the 25 or turn up just a little bit and show some kind of direction. And seeing that the D positive and the D negative is pointing down, I would definitely wait it out. If you don't see neither of these lines and everything pointing over the 25, don't even look for entry no time soon. So once everything is pointing in your favor, let's say the D negative line and the ADX line was over the 25, I'll be looking for a candle reverse pattern and get ready to take an entry just based off of technical analysis and what the ADX is saying. All right, but it's a very simple indicator to use. So just combine this with what you already been learning and with the confluence trading actually. And after that, try it out and tell me how you like it. So far, I love it. I haven't gone one day without even using it. I have it on my phone. I have it on MT4, but the main chart I have it on is my trading view. It's very, very smooth. Okay, guys. So see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys are very profitable from using this system, and see you guys next time.